Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. So today we are going to share, forward or delete our WhatsApp status. So we are in update section. Now you see my status. We are going to share our WhatsApp status to our friend, or we are going to delete it. Now you see my status. So click on it. So we are in my status and then you see three dots. So again click on it. Now you see forward, share, delete. So you can use any option according to timer. So you can forward this WhatsApp status to any of your friend. So click on it. Now you see forward to. So you can select your friend and then click on next. Now back. Again click on three dot. Now you see share. So click on it. Now you see you can share on any platform. You see messages, Gmail. You see multiple option, Facebook, Snapchat. Again click on three dot. Now you see delete. So click on it. Delete one status update. So click on delete again. Now you see deleting status update. So our WhatsApp status is deleted. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.